السلام عليكم الشباب العربي. شوفوا شكون معي اليوم. معي CEO Howard friend, the legend here. So today Mr. Howard will send to you a big message, especially for Arabic countries. All of us we know Arabic countries is more than 21 countries, and the country want to develop all this market. So Mr. Howard, what the message you want to send to all Arabic countries, please?
The message I want to send is that this is the first day of a very long journey that we're going to share together. We are going to empower so many people, including all of you, all of your countries. We're going to teach you how to trade profitably, and how to improve your situation. I've been doing this for many years, and I believe that anyone can do this profitably. And I'm looking forward to helping each and every one of you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Howard. You're welcome. Thank you so much. As Harris son is sick, also all the legend now. Wallah, Arabic countries, as you are blessed with this opportunity, we will make it big. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So شباب زي ما بتشوفوا رسالة أخرى من مستر هاورد اليوم، بيقول لكم إنه التعليم في الفوركس وأهم شيء، ويقول لكم شباب احنا معتمدين على الفريق العربي، معتمدين مع الفريق العربي انه ان شاء الله نخلق نتائج. وهي الشخص هيدا اللاين سانو شيك wait something bigger together ان شاء الله. شباب يعطيكم مليون عافيه. ام فاير، انا مشتعل، بدي اشتغل، بدي اعمل في فريقي اكثر من شخص ان شاء الله يكون دخله كثير كبير معي، اللي بده يشتغل معي ونشتغل مع بعض ان شاء الله رح نحقق نتائج كبيره. يعطيكم مليون عافيه شباب.